Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Microsoft Office Learning. Today video is very short and a quick video. Video is about the rank formula. How can we use rank formula in Excel? I want to tell you the purpose of the rank formula. The purpose of rank formula is to rank the value in given data. In any given data range, we can rank the values according to the situation. So let's jump into the video without wasting any time. Here I created some sample data. The first column is name, area, sale, and the rank formula last column. So let's start writing formula is equal to RANK. On third number you can see there's rank formula. If I press tab, so it will select this formula. The first thing is the first cell reference of the column which we want to rank. If I click on it, it will select its reference value and comma, and then we'll select the range. The range starts from the I8. We'll press F4 to fix it, and then colon sign, and then the last cell reference in range, which is I13. So if I press F4, so it will select the whole range. So I tell you how this formula works. This formula will work. It will look up the value in this range and give the rank according to its position. So if I want to rank all the sales value, so we'll apply the rank formula on it. So rank formula will see in given data and rank the sales figure according to its highest and the lowest value. If I press enter, so it's giving me the 3. Now I copy this formula, just drag from the right bottom and take it to the end. So now I have the ranking of all these sales figures. On the number 1 there is a figure which is the highest figure, 6,000, and number 2 there is 5,000. On number 3 there is a 4,333. So this formula will rank according to the highest and then lowest value in the sales column. So this is how the formula works. On this side, I wrote down the formula is equal to rank, start of bracket, the first cell reference, and then we need to select the range and fix the range. Formula work in the selected range. So this is how the rank function works. So if you like this video, like and share with your friends, and make sure to subscribe my channel so you don't miss any upcoming video. I see you guys in next video.